In this video, I will show you how to delete a profile on Netflix Mobile in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is of course open up Netflix on your device. So from here, what you're going to want to do is select one of your profiles. Now, I just want to know at this point, what you want to do is basically the profile you want to delete, you don't want to log into that profile because it's not going to let you delete your profile if of course you're the active profile on there. So what I'm going to do is select a profile, and what you're going to want to do next is come up to your profile icon up in the top right hand corner. So just go ahead and press onto that, and you'll be taken to a screen that looks like this. From here, underneath your list of profiles, you're going to see an option to manage profiles. So go ahead and press onto that. And then what you want to do is go ahead and select the profile you want to delete. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I've set up a test account. So what I'm going to do is press onto that profile. And then if you look at the very bottom, you're going to see the option to delete this profile. Now, of course, as I mentioned previously, you want to make sure you're logged into a different profile because it's not going to let you delete the profile that you're logged into. So just go ahead and press delete profile. And it's just going to come up with a confirmation basically saying that all recommendations, viewing history, my list, save game settings and more will be permanently deleted. All you want to do is press delete profile to confirm, and you will see that's now been removed from our profiles. So if I go back, you'll see the test profile I set up has now been deleted. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.